If you've been wondering how to make vertical tabs visible in the Edge browser, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to turn on vertical tabs in Microsoft Edge so you can organize your tabs better and make browsing feel a lot cleaner and easier to manage. This is a super useful feature if you keep lots of tabs open or if you just prefer having your tabs displayed on the side instead of across the top. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. To get started, open Microsoft Edge and make sure you already have at least one tab open. Now look at the top tab bar where all your open tabs are displayed. You can either right-click on any empty space in that top tab bar, or you can right-click directly on one of your open tabs. Both ways will bring up the same menu. Once the menu appears, look for the option that says Turn on Vertical Tabs. This is the setting that enables the side tab layout in Edge. Click it once, and Edge will immediately switch your tabs from the top to the side. As soon as you do that, you'll see your tabs appear in a vertical panel, usually along the left side of the browser window. This makes it much easier to view your open pages at a glance, especially when you have a lot of tabs open at the same time. And if you ever want to change it back, you can usually use the same tab area and switch back to the regular top tab layout. So the whole process is really simple. Right-click the tab bar or an open tab, then select Turn on Vertical Tabs. That's all there is to it. No extra settings, no complicated menus, and no need to install anything. If this tutorial saved you time, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because I'll be posting more easy browser tips and Windows tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.